Open Document Spreadsheets, Formatting Cells. The tools for formatting cells are mainly found on the Formatting toolbar. If the tool cannot be seen on the toolbar, open the Format Cells dialog. To do this, select a cell, then right-click and go to Format Cells. Alternatively, click on the Format menu option and go to Cells. Notice the shortcut keys. Hold down Ctrl and press 1. Select Cells. The Format Cells dialog can be moved around so that more of the data is visible. Drag the title bar to move the dialog. Select the Font tab. Some of these tools are available on the Formatting toolbar. Select the Alignment tab. These are alignment tools. Select the Numbers tab. The number format can be changed, and these are the tools. Select Borders. This is the drop-down menu to change borders. There isn't an option there for changing the border width. This is to change the background color, which can also be done on the Background tab. Cancel the dialog for the moment. As a general rule, it's best to format the data before formatting any headings. To select the data quickly, select the first cell, hold down Ctrl and Shift, and press the left arrow and the down arrow. Click on Borders and choose All Borders. Select all the data in column E. Click in the first cell, hold Ctrl and Shift, press the down arrow. Change the data type to currency. This error message shows that the column width is not wide enough to display the data. Double-click between the two column headings. Increase the column width a little. The column width should always suit the data, not the headings. Adjust the other columns. Either by double-clicking or by dragging. A little extra width is always advisable. This column is quite narrow. Select all the data in column A. Data can also be selected by dragging. Center the data horizontally in the column. Select all the data in column D. Data that's close to the edge of the cell can sometimes be difficult to read. Increase the indent. If the format in a certain cell is a format that's needed elsewhere, use the Format paintbrush. Click on the paintbrush and then select the other cells. When the data has been formatted, format the headings. Select all the headings. Hold down Ctrl and press 1. The font can be changed here, but what we really want to do is to change the alignment and wrap the text. Change the background color. Don't choose a color that's too dark or you won't be able to read the data. Select alignment. Data can be aligned in the middle of the cell or in the bottom of the cell. It can also be aligned left, but what we want is centered. Click on OK. To increase the row height automatically, double-click between two cells. If necessary, adjust some of the headings. and some of the column widths. When all the headings are visible, we can select these two cells. Notice that if one cell is selected, this button is disabled. Select both cells, merge the cells, align the data on the right of the cell, change the font size, select bold, change the background color to match the other headings. Select sales. This needs to be quite large. Select all 4 cells and click on Merge. Select the Format menu option and go to Change Case, change to uppercase. Hold down Control and press 1. Change the number of degrees to 10. Alignment vertical in the middle. Alignment horizontal in the center. We don't need to wrap the text. Click on OK. This is a bit too small, so we can increase the font size. Make it bold and change the font if necessary. If the column widths or row heights are not wide enough, remember to double click between the columns or double click between the rows. Avoid decorative cell formatting. Remember, cells are formatted to make it easier to read and understand the data in a worksheet.